Microsoft Education has added a new LTI program inside of Schoology, which allows us to use some of their Teams features like learning accelerators without the need of having Microsoft Teams. So inside of Schoology, without the need of having Microsoft Teams. So we're going to go ahead and discuss how we can enable this in our classes so that our students can begin using it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my sandbox, which is a course that I've created for myself. And so you can open up any of your courses, whether you have one course for elementary, whether you have 6 courses, 7 courses for middle school and high school. One of the things you're looking for over here on the right with all the different LTI tools that have been added in the past is Microsoft Education. If you do not see Microsoft Education, this is the new LTI, the new program that's going to allow us to embed all of their Microsoft learning tools inside of Schoology. If you do not see this, then you may need to install it. And you'll only have to install it once, and you can install it for one course or all the courses that you're using. So to do this, you're going to go up to the App Center. And you'll notice that I already have it here in my first list. But if you don't see it there, then you can click the App Center. And you can do a search. So on a Mac device, you would do Command F to find, or on a Windows or Chromebook device, you would do Control F. So I did Command F, and I'm going to type Microsoft Education, and it shows one result, and it's already highlighted right here for me. So I want to open that program, and I'm going to go ahead and install it so that I can have these features. So I'm going to go ahead and click install. And this may take a few seconds for it to render. And we're giving the consent to install a third-party app outside of Schoology, which is fine. It is a good app. And I'm going to allow for these things to happen within Schoology by using this LTI extension. And I'm going to continue. From here, I'm going to pick my course. So I'm going to go find my course or courses, and I'm going to check them off. And when I do so, like in this case, there's my course, I want to make sure that I only check the course and not course admins only. You don't want that. You want your students to have access to the same LTI on the left side. So I'm checking this off, and I'm going to click install, and this will take anywhere from 25 to 30 seconds. Once it's done, this loading screen will be gone, and you can go back to your course. All right, so it's done. I'm going to go back to my course. I'll go back to the dashboard, and I will click on my course, and I will have, if you didn't have it before, you will have Microsoft for Education. In the next video, we'll learn how to go ahead and sign in and set up your Microsoft Education for you and for your students.